Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. It's Monday. I am downstairs getting ready to work. I edited a couple of vlogs this morning. I'm just trying to get caught up because Danny will be back in like 11 days. So Danny will be here in 11 days. We also have a concert this week, so I'm just gonna try to get everything done. I did get an AJ Blanks order, which I left over there. So I'm gonna unpack that and start working. And this is a mess. It's an utter, just a mess down here. It's like I, put heat and bond on fabrics and then use what I need. I do it so next time I don't have to put heat and bond on it. And then I just throw them over there. There's a huge pile over here. Like, a huge pile. Anyway, so I'll probably go to Zumba later. I don't know what we're going to do for dinner yet. So I'll have to figure that out. We'll probably go grocery shopping tomorrow. And then Wednesday is the concert. And we're probably going to go after Journey's appointment. So I wonder if there was a bubble, because I just saw it on the lens and I just wiped it off from when my husband was blowing bubbles, and it was on the lens. It was over here. So, and me being blind as a bat and not being able to see, like, I can't even really. Oh, there we go. If I look through the bottom, I can see. All right, let's get to work. Okay. Hey guys, we're at Zumba and I totally forgot to put my hair up. I got here, this. I don't need a clip, I need a brush. But anyway. Yeah. Let's go in. Are you gonna have a s'more?
Yeah, you can, Mom. I got some plates right here.
Where'd you get these plates? Where'd you get them? Yeah. You'll have to cook your marshmallows, girl. Yeah, people said, oh, I like your makeup. Lewis and another lady. Here's your s'more. You gonna eat your s'more? Oh. Get him. Bug Hunter? Oh, Bug Hunter. He's right here.
Oh no.
Look at my hand.
Right here.
Get him, Bug Hunter. Got him? Okay. You put him in?
Yeah. Be careful with the other. He's tricky sometimes.
Okay, he's tricky sometimes. Alright, Bug Hunter. Let's see if we can find some more.
I found him.
Oh, I just saw one. One behind you.
What's here? Here, sorry. Oh no.
Oh, there's one.
Hey! Mom, I thought
Here's one.
there was an ant right here.
Go. Where'd he go?
But there he is. I can't believe. Okay. Right here, see this thing? I caught it. Oh, found it.
Here, here's your flashlight.
Caught him.
Oh,
Oh, no. There he is. My back struck him off.
hi guys. Different. You're on it. You're on the shelf. Okay. Usually I put you on the sewing machine. Right now you're on the shelf. Anyway, so I'm getting ready to stitch another one out, but I have no idea how global shipping works on Etsy. I ship through Etsy, and like somebody sent me a message and said they wanted a refund because they're not going to get their package in time. This was on the 12th. I think they messaged me on the 12th. Anyway, so they ordered it 3 weeks before they needed it. 3 weeks. They ordered it on June 24th, which was a Saturday, and needed it by the 16th. So exactly 3 weeks and 1 day. And they live in a different country. They live in Germany, and their ship date was the 8th. But I shipped it the 7th. So anyway, so it was shipped out on the 7th, and then they messaged me on the 12th, just 5 days later, asking for a refund because they're not going to get it by the time they needed it on the 16th. I'm like, I'm not giving you a refund because it was shipped when it should have been shipped. I shipped a day sooner than it should have been shipped. It shipped on time. There wasn't a need by date. If they would have gave me a need by date, I like to help people out. I would have tried to, you know, if I had the opportunity, get it made and shipped quicker, you know, sooner, I would have done that. But and plus, if you live in a different country, I wouldn't order 3 weeks before Journey's birthday from like a different country and expect to get it. You know what I mean? Especially with customs and all that. It's going to Germany. So yeah, I would definitely I wouldn't have a month ahead. I probably wouldn't even. I would have had to have ordered if I was worried about it coming in time for a birthday. I'd probably do at least 1.5 to 2 months if I was ordering, because number one, they have to make it. Anyway, I just don't know how the global shipping works, because when I track it, it shows it, you know, getting to like the global shipping center or whatever it's called on the 12th. I just decided to check up on it because I hadn't heard back from the lady, and apparently it's still, you know, in here's, she's singing a song. It says, okay, I know I clicked on this thing and tracked it before. Anyway, oh, view tracking. Yeah, it just says it dispatched the global posting, received by global postal shipping partner. And then it left, it got there. Oh shoot, I shipped it out on the 5th, so I shipped it quicker than it was supposed to go out. I thought I shipped it the 7th, which was Friday, but I shipped it Thursday. And then from Thursday to Friday, what the heck is Fairplay, South Carolina? Anyway, from Thursday to Friday, it went somewhere to Fairplay, South Carolina, and then from there, it went to New York, and then Smithtown, New York, and then I have no idea, New York. Anyway, but when I, track it with USPS, it says it was delivered in a P.O. box in New York, which is the global place. So that's why I'm like, I don't understand how that works. Anyway. Are your lightning bugs doing good? So we went out and collected some lightning bugs, had us some s'mores. So for dinner we just had some spaghetti, like no meat sauce, just spaghetti and sauce, which my husband does not like spaghetti, but he ate it. We ate it. Let's stitch this shirt out.
Thanks for watching. Hey tomorrow. Bye guys.